is the summer of AI offer of the Gohighlevel. So right now the AI employee is on the boom, right? Everybody is liking it, everybody's loving it, people are selling it like crazy. Like the basic charge for the AI employee was $97 per month for the each sub account. But right now you have the summer of AI offer going ongoing, as you can see, from May 26th to September 1st. So here for the first time, like from the past 6, 7 months, whenever it was launched, everybody was paying. Each of the sub account were paying $97 per month to the high level, and whatever additional charge that you had, like let's say somebody is charging $250 per month, so difference became their profit. So the difference here is now the sub accounts can enjoy 30 days free with the summer of AI for the first time. So this is going to enable the sub accounts to actually try the AI employee. And when they are trying the AI employee, of course, when they have those chatbot implemented, when they have those voice AI implemented, entire appointment booking system in a way, they wouldn't want to cancel, and there is a huge amount of extra revenue for you. For so how do you go there? Like you go to the respective Gohighlevel account, and here you can see this one is like you click on summer of AI and you scroll it all the way down. So here, as you can see, you can define what is the exact charge that you want the customer to be paying. The cost will be $97 per month after 30 days of free trial. Summer of AI is giving you 30 days of free trial. Let's say you want $297 per month. So this becomes your profit from each sub account. After they, if they want, they can cancel it. If they want, they continue it. Now at the same time, here's one offer that we guys would like to make to you guys is, please do enter our code AIBONUSES, AI bonuses. And if you do that and click, just click apply. If you do that, what we are going to do, we are going to ensure that you get 127 snapshots. That even includes the AI agency snapshot, that even includes like AI employee and so much of the AI thing, as well as all the 127. When we are saying it's crazy good. But not just that, we are going to provide one-to-one personal onboarding with my Go High Level expert for the AI employee. That means the first client that you land, we will provide you the onboarding, so that you can just carry on, so on and so forth later. As well as if you want, we will arrange, like not want, like of course we will arrange the moment that you say one-to-one your personal onboarding for the AI employee. So all these bonuses we are going to do, all you have to do is just just put AI bonuses, click apply, and send us the screenshot, right? So this is going to be super amazing for everybody. uh, Definitely your sub accounts will love it. And the moment that you do that, one-to-one personal support is going to be super amazing, because we don't give support through the email. We form the WhatsApp group, so you have just like one click of a on your cell phone, you just type in, and you get our access and the entire onboarding and the onboarding of your client. So all these things said and done, you have AI employee summer of AI. So I hope now you get the difference between these. The normal AI, you set the price and right away, the moment the sub account enables, they start paying. With the summer of AI, the offer is going where you don't have to pay, right? You just, like, the sub account don't have to pay initially. They get 30 days of free trial. That is the summer of AI offer that is ongoing. But make sure, guys, like, this is a super amazing bonus you wouldn't miss, because it doesn't cost you any extra money. It is the same for you. All you have to do is just enter AI bonuses, apply referral code, and send us the screenshot. We will send you the entire bonuses that I just talked about, as well as one-to-one personal onboarding of your client, as well as your onboarding for the AI employee. Like, as much as many people I'll personally want to would try to have a call with you, like personal jump on a call uh, with me, where I'll explain you the AI employee, how does it work. So that's it. Any questions, just type in the comments and I'll send you guys. Thanks a lot for tuning in. I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye bye.